Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about processing and interpreting data. Guys, we are accustomed to use histogram bar charts for showing data information, but we can use distribution shape as well. So what's the meaning of distribution shape? Because normally we just really accustomed to use always histogram, bar charts or pie charts for showing our data information, but distribution shape is, for instance, the majority of people are around the middle height. Then as you go towards shorter or taller heights, the number of people tails off. So this sort of distribution shape is called what? The normal distribution. So it can be increasing, then decreasing, or again like this. Okay, so instead of the bars of a histogram, you will sometimes see diagram like a frequency polygon but drawn with curve like this, because guys, especially bar graphs like a histogram, when we use the frequency table, we want to show our information on the bar charts. But we can show our exact information on with a curve like this. This is a normal distribution. Or sometimes the shape is not central but skewed to one side like this. It depends on the graph. So it can be skewed or it can be central. Okay, so there's no difference. It's just a graph types. Okay, and I explain you. And for this guys lesson, you don't need any information. Just know that this is a type of graph. So you will see a lot of types of graph. So this one is one of them. So exercise 12G number 4. I wrote the solution here and I want to explain you. Guys, I explained everything here and I wrote the solution because I took the video one times, but unfortunately I erased that. That's why again I want to explain to you. The graph below shows the distribution of the masses of two different species of monkey. So we have spider monkey and mandrill, and this is our graph. So this axis show us the frequency and this one show us the mass, okay, with the kilogram. So here we have two graphs. Be careful, it's not one graph, because look at here. If you see, did you see? This is two graphs just intersect with each other. Okay, so spider monkey and mandrill. Guys, exercise variant, the question for the variant A is like that. Which species has the lower mean mass? Guys, for this question, you should find both mean mass for spider monkey and for the mandrill. So how can we find it? So guys, we don't know the frequency exactly. That's why we can assume. So let us take approximately, be careful, approximately if 10, and this picture not drawn scale, but you can look at your book. It's page, I don't know, I think 172. So okay, 10 kilogram represent approximate frequency to frequency, because 10 if we combine the 10 with the graph, we can see 10 intersect with the graph here in this point, but 20 intersect with the graph here. So if we combine with the frequency, we can see 10 is more than 20. So that's why I just assume 10 like a 2 and 20 like a 1 frequency. And the mean is, you know that how can we find for the frequency table the mean of a frequency table like this. 20 data value multiplied by frequency, then add the other one, again the same thing, data value multiplied by frequency over divide by sum of frequency. Then it's gonna be 13 and 1.3. This is you know that this is just the approximate value, so I can accept 13 for the spider monkey. And for the mandrill, Let us take 30 kilogram represents 3 frequency and 40 kilogram represents 0 frequency. Why 0? Because the graph passing, touch with mass axis into 40 point. That's why the frequency for this point is 0. So 0 means we don't have any 40 kilogram mandrel. So again, the mean is equal 30 multiplied by 3 plus 40 multiplied by 0 and over the sum of this, which one is 30. So we can see easily the lower mean mass for the spider monkey. And variant B, which species has the greater range of masses? Greater range, guys, you can see we have 10 kilogram, 20, 30, 40, but we can't take 40 because frequency is 0. If it's frequency is 0, so we don't have 40 kilogram mandrel. That's why, but 40 kilogram, okay, I wrote here, but 40 kilogram represents 0 frequency. That's when we don't have 40 kilogram mass. So the range for the biggest one is 30 and the lowest one is 10. So the subtraction of this is 20. So guys, this is my Gmail address, so you can ask your question from there, but I will again write my Gmail on a Google Classroom for you. And variant C is so easy. Copy the beginning of each sentence and complete it with one of these endings, which is like to be a spider monkey, is like to be a mandrill, could be either a spider monkey or a mandrill. So the variant is like that: a monkey with a mass of 7 kilogram, a monkey with a mass of 26, and a monkey mass of 35 kilogram. Guys, here you can see easily 7 kilogram is situated between 0 and 10, so it depends on the what. It belongs to spider monkey. It belongs to spider monkey. So I wrote here is like to be a spider monkey, but the second one is spider monkey, a monkey with a mass of 26 kilogram. 26 situated between 20 and 30. That's why, look at here, we have two graphs with here, which one is intersect with each other. So that's why we can't tell this is a spider exactly or exactly mandrill. That's why I wrote, I choose that one. Could be either a spider monkey or a mandrill. And the last one, a monkey with a mass of 35 kilogram, is like to be a mandrill. Why? Because it's situated between 30 and 40. So this is belong to the mandrill. So this is the answer for the variant C. That's it, guys. I hope you can realize. So if you have any question, you can ask me. So good luck. And firstly, try to listen, then you can take a note.